All right. Know what you got ready.
None of your business, honestly.
Oh, all right.
I'm just
Let's
playing.
talk. Good.
Tesla is definitely a main part of the main watch list today. Um, Nvidia is cool as a side. AMD is cool as a side as well. So if you're interested in that, if Nvidia I won't be interested until 135, which is not far at all. And then AMD has room up to 183. If you guys end up taking a trade on that, just remember, please, it's not much room.
I think I'm gonna have Tesla pulled up, honestly.
Me too.
Me too.
You said you like 234.50, that area?
Yeah. Two
Yeah,
thirty four.
you guys just had to talk about it, huh?
Wait. What did you say, Benji? I didn't hear you. Sorry.
I was asking what did you like 264.40 for the
Yeah,
entry
I
on
heard
there?
234 for some reason. I don't know why.
I
Also, if you're
didn't.
in the stream, I don't know why you would be in the stream today. Today's the free day in the Discord, so make sure you go and join. There's zero latency in the Discord. There might be some latency that has nothing to do with me on Twitch, YouTube, whatever you're watching it on. So just keep that in mind. All right, well, Tesla just pulled back as soon as Benji said he's going to be watching that. That's a problem.
Nvidia still kind of holding on there.
It's 265.40. I don't know what Benji was talking about. No, George got his power back today. Or yesterday, sorry.
Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Nice to have you back with us, George.
What do you have open, guys?
I got
Management
Tesla ready.
Tesla.
Mm-hmm. Now, if you ask me if I take it straight up, I would, but I would wait closer to 265.
Yeah, I'm looking for the 265 calls as well, guys. How much are these? 550. I mean, the 270s are fine. I just, as we get closer to it towards the end of the week, I like playing something closer to the money or in the money. Honestly, 270s are fine, right, Frankie? Are you playing 270s?
Yeah, that's what I have ready.
All right, I'm switching over to the 270 calls just in case.
I think AMD's pushing.
Yeah, it is.
Tesla going red. AMD's actually holding up.
Let me know if you switch over to that.
I'm thinking about it. If Tesla keeps going down, yeah. Just I don't know if I wait for Tesla if I have time to switch to AMD.
Tesla's above 263.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna just stay on Tesla. What's your alert for this?
Ooh, it's going 265.40.
265.40. Gotcha.
Might be earlier. We'll see. I'm
Yeah,
looking
the
at the
earliest I would
270 calls, guys, on Tesla.
Yeah, the earliest I would get in is at 265.
QQQ struggling here. SPY moving higher. AMD rejection. Good thing we didn't switch.
Mm-hmm. I was about to say that. Tesla's holding up really well right now.
Yeah, market just pulled back. Let's see what we can get out of this today. Remember, we've been on a crazy hot streak. Just be patient. Apple about to break 230 actually.
I was about to say that too. 10 cents away. 1 cent now.
I just got an alert.
Google's been pushing all morning too. I was looking at 191 on that.
I'll pass.
Yeah, I figured. That's why I didn't bring it up.
AMD with a serious rejection. Nvidia not so serious. So if that makes a U-turn, I'm going to be looking at that. I'm gonna send an alert actually.
Apple did break too, by the way.
Yeah, that's a whatever break.
Yeah.
I might switch over to Nvidia. I'll let you guys know when I do, if I do. You have a 1 minute trend though now.
It's holding up really well right now, Noah.
What?
Nvidia.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch over soon. I'll let you know, guys. If I do switch over, it'll be the 135 close. Most likely. I'm still on Tesla currently. S&P just had a bounce. Oh, look at Tesla. Nice.
That wick is crazy. $2 wick. That's why we wait, guys. No reason to rush anything yet. Especially the way Tesla's moving. You just need to be careful and be precise with your entry. So Nvidia got bought at 133. Tesla got bought up too, for the most part.
Tesla's struggling, which is fine. Be patient.
Someone said Nvidia's gonna break. It's still $1 away. Roughly.
I have an alert set at 133.50 just so I could, not 50, 80, just so I could switch over to it. That's not for entry. So I'm not going to miss it if we do pop here. Tesla's not that close.
It's not, but the way these candles are moving, it could snap at any time too.
Yeah, Jose, you have a problem, bro.
Apple's still going, surprisingly.
Yeah. The video's starting to slip a little bit. Market's slipping, guys. Let's see.
Nor, do you like meta if it comes down to 527, like that area?
Yeah, it's been weak. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Is that a priority?
Like out of any type of downside play, that's the only thing I think I would be
Yeah,
interested in.
I agree. All right, Tesla's trying. The video's not far. It's about $1.30 from entry. Let's see what can hold the best here. Nvidia's been holding the best.
Google's been pushing too this entire time. I think I'm gonna just stay away from that. It's not the kind of setup that I like on Google.
We're 7 minutes in. No rush on my end here, guys. I'm going to be waiting as long as I have to. That means not taking a trade today if there's nothing presenting anything.
Yeah, we've been on a hot streak. Ain't no reason to.
I'm not messing up that for just to have a signal here. We have 824 people in the audience. That's hilarious. They didn't come to pre-market review.
Tesla's pushing.
Yep.
Against the market too.
Mm-hmm. Red candles on QQQ. Red candles on ES.
I might look to do like half at 265 and half at 265.40, something like that.
So this is what happened to Tesla yesterday. Took the dip in the morning and then ended up just literally rallying the rest of the day. So let's see what we got on our hands today, boys, girls, everyone else. I'm looking at the 270 calls on Tesla. Entry as of right now is 265.40. I'm 265.40. I might take half at 265 and then half at 265.40. But if you want like the safest entry would be 265.40. What are you doing, Frankie?
I'm still deciding here.
I'm in. Guys, I added as well. Great pop from 265. Here we go, guys.
The flat top on Tesla is at 265.60, guys. So
Divergence against the market's been holding up well. What's your stop on this?
if these contracts hit 425 for me, so just because this is an early entry for me, because my real position would be at 265.60, so I would look to add more there.
Ask is above 265 again. Here we go, guys. Let's make this a banger. Here we go. There we go. Oh my god. 490 a contract right there, guys. Entry was before 265. I'm looking for at least 266 to sell half. The strength is here. Market just had a red candle, so I want to see if Tesla continues to hold against the market. If not, I'm going to just get rid of it.
What's your stop, Nor?
before 264.
Like this right here.
Market's having red candles. We just need Tesla to make a move before it gets too strong. Because if the market starts pulling back hard, then Tesla's going to struggle no matter what. But if we can get a head start, then it won't really matter. We're above 265 again.
On a hold here, but in Q's also.
Yeah, but look at S&P 500. It's dipping hard. Market's getting hurt right now, guys. That's why Tesla's struggling. It needs to bounce here. If this doesn't bounce, I'm out, guys. Nice.
Nice, bro.
Beautiful.
But that is within Q though.
That is, but SPY just started moving higher, so we'll see. Follow your stops if you have to. Where's your stop, George?
Doing here. If we can't bounce here, I'm probably gonna stop out.
Personally hit my stop. So.
Yours is 425 a contract, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good stop.
When I bought more there at the top, I kept it the same. So.
Could always try that again if it gets strong.
Yeah.
Market's trying to push higher. Tesla's still struggling.
We're not really missing anything either, by the way. So I know you're in Tesla, but just letting you know.
All right.
What was the level on
Nvidia.
AMD?
AMD not to like that high from pre-market for me. Nvidia, my alert went off for that, but it's pretty behind the market right now. So
Nvidia's alert just went up, so that means it's rallying right now.
it's just kind of following the market or behind it right now.
If you're still in Tesla, don't let it go past 60 cents. Keeps bouncing around that 67, 70 cents level.
The video is starting to look better.
Yeah.
Pushing without the market now.
You swapping over to that, Frank?
Yeah. Until Tesla gets back above 265, I won't switch to it till then.
Meta, Benji. Still a little far.
Yeah,
What'd you guys have on that?
still looking. I like that 527 area.
Went up the 30-minute Benji. Do you see that trend line on the bottom side?
Let me like.
I'm not sure if you're still in the trade. If you are, then don't worry about it. But I
What,
kind of
that
I started
30
liking
minute?
528. Yeah, it's either the 30-minute or the 15-minute. 15-minute, sorry.
Okay.
It doesn't
Yeah,
make
it does line up
528
with
look
that.
too bad. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna wait with you though. Not the current market to do anything too cute.
Yeah. AMD's kind of looking strong right now. Stronger than Nvidia.
Yeah, I just have Nvidia and Meta left for the day. I mean, oh, AMD is coming through right here actually.
Yeah, it's looking stronger than Nvidia at the moment.
You like this more than? Well, I guess we gotta make a choice.
Coming in hot now.
Yeah, I was gonna say, do you like this more?
Are you switching over to that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm looking at it. 180. It would be the 185 calls for AMD.
85.
Yeah. There it goes.
I
I'm
missed
looking
it.
for 182 for the break of that. Market's starting to push too.
I missed it, guys. I'm gonna stay on Nvidia. I didn't like how it just went straight through like that.
Market straight pushing. There we go. Sold right there. I'm just looking for the scalp on that.
I'm looking
I
at the
didn't like.
135 calls on Nvidia, guys.
I was gonna mention I didn't like how NQ was pushed and AMD was doing 0 with that.
Yeah, it was
So,
too quick.
that's why I was just looking for the pop there.
Market just had a pullback. Let's see what pulls back hard with this. Can Nvidia hold up or no?
We're at the green here on AMD's trying.
Yeah, that's a good candle. Still waiting for Nvidia though. Meta's still dropping.
When you swap over to Nvidia.
All right, I'm gonna mention this real quick because I talked about this in the lesson last night. So for those who attended the lesson last night, I was talking about how you guys always ask me about my stop losses. Tesla was roughly a 9 to 10% stop loss. You guys saw I took a $900 loss on that. And I told you guys why I have a 10% stop loss, because I know on any given decent setup, I can make that 10% back, right? So on AMD, made roughly 10% as well. And you guys see now I'm break even for the day. Only down $60. That's pretty much break even for me. So that's why I tell you guys, if you have that risk management system kind of down to a T to your liking, then you'll have plays like that.
Oh, there we go. Come on. A bit more. 10% for me right here.
That's a crazy push, George.
Yeah.
Contracts
I got
at
in right at 180.
250.
I got in at 181.90, so I didn't get in at the high.
I bought half at 181.30, and I bought my other half at 181.50 when we actually hit the high of the day.
I'm so happy here on this new high.
Yo, Amen, you better be up like 500% on this for how much you talk about it. Peyton, you took it full at 180, 150. Yeah. If you wanted to play it safe, then for sure, easily right there.
Where'd you say that trend was at, Nor, on AMD?
183. I'll tell you right now. 180. 183.80. Actually, maybe a little bit higher now, but
Just don't have there. Look to sell the rest of it on the 183 break. Not 182.10 is gonna be my stop on the runners. It is ahead here at the moment.
Mister, I think Nor's looking at the 134 level, I believe, on Nvidia.
a little bit, yeah,
Okay.
a little bit higher.
Yeah, because I was personally looking at 134.20.
Me too.
Okay.
I need
Quarter
to
got
see
a
how it
quarter
breaks
left,
134. I'm looking at the 135 calls on Nvidia. AMD just broke 183. I missed my entry on that. I had it just switched to it when I wanted to play it.
For people who were in pre-market review, they would have caught that. We talked about that one a lot.
Yeah, switched to it like 1 second too late right there. Kept hesitating.
Oh, here we're thinking about it. I'm out now.
Yeah, nor I barely was able to get in time. So I was on Nvidia, and then George was like, "Yo, AMD," and I looked at it and I was like, "Damn."
You welcome. You welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, it was just I was like, man, I gotta choose now. So when you
Ah,
said,
man, bro, it's going crazy now. I held through the
yeah.
hard part.
When
Contracts at 280.
Ah.
50-cent high from where I sold.
Yeah, I saw that the 263.
Good shit.
Paul speaking today? Again?
Apparently.
Ruben, it'll be this week's expiration. We always do same weeks.
The only ones that are different are Maki's, which he normally does next days. So,
Yep.
or if he does something else, he tells anybody before he signals. So,
AMD just touched 183.80, rejected. That's where the trend is at.
yeah, it's sick, Eamon. That's 100%, bro.
Another red to green here on freaking AMD. I'm not in no more though.
What do you guys think of SMCI? At
Consolidation.
like, yeah, 874.50. It like rejected off the pre-market low.
Wow. Damn near to the cent, bro, huh?
Yeah.
It's not bad for an intraday setup. Actually, that's pretty good. It does look weak, too. Doesn't look the worst.
Damn, yo, look at the rejection on AMD at the trend. Over $1.
What would be an entry for this on something like for you, Benji? I feel like mine would be at 873.50.
That's
Yeah.
kind of why the market's been pumping too, no? There's a trend, just so y'all know, with that pre-market right at 868. So that's still a good move though.
It's just with news here in 2 minutes.
Oh
It's
nah,
just,
I'm
yeah,
not
it's
It's
doing
not
just
this.
like-
exact news though. He'll be speaking.
Oh, okay, someone said news, so.
What contracts? Here?
The 850s look good.
How much are these? $1,000?
10, yeah, 10 to 11.
It's not bad.
So they're actually pretty nice, yeah.
I will go lighter though.
No, yeah, same here. Just an intraday setup, nothing crazy. So
Contracts are gaining value there. D going for another one. Where you have your alert, Benji?
Like 874.50.
oh, so you have yours at 874.50. Okay.
I'm looking at the 850 puts on SMCI. If it does drop. Because the other setup that I have is Nvidia. I don't know if it's going to happen. So if you want to wait for that, you can.
I don't know
Even
how I
if I
feel about-
play SMCI.
I don't know how I feel about the 50 cent area.
I have mine at 874 personally, George.
Me too.
So
I like that better.
Wait, what did George have it at? 875?
No, Benji had it at 874.50.
I have mine at 874.11.
Yeah, I like that more. Market just started kind of trying to pump there.
Yeah, Nvidia, big red candles. Tesla, big red candles. Ooh, that's crazy.
AMD still holding.
I'm looking at the 850 puts on SMCI. Remember, the stock does move a little crazy, so always later on this stock. The room, I have room down to 865.
Is that 1 minute trend right there?
Yeah.
Remember, right? 868, Nor. We might get a little bounce there. It's 5-minute trend on the.
Yo, Tesla just broke 260, George. Holy.
Apple hit a high of 231.40.
Hmm?
Apple hit a high of 231.40.
Yeah. Tesla struggling. Wow.
So like Nor said, in case SMCI comes down right now, size carefully. It's SMCI. You guys know how it spreads and the moves can be on this stock. So
What's it at? Oh, 877.
yeah, especially with an intraday setup like this, you just want to be a little bit more careful. So
Nice, Rob. Good stuff.
coming down right now, Nor.
Yeah.
Patient, wait for the alert here.
See what I like about this is having that wall at 875. If we break that and get any sort of momentum down to 874, which is where our alerts are at, that'll kind of give us the idea right there if it's
I
strong.
like that it's looking weak before the market starts dropping.
Mm-hmm.
Hey man, I'm good on AMD at the moment.
Me too. I'm looking at SMCI with Nor.
What's it at?
It's just kind of just doing whatever here as the market was pumping.
As long as it's not making any moves to the upside, I think this looks better and better.
Yeah, you can draw like a downtrend on the 1 minute, and it's respecting it pretty nicely on SMCI. If it keeps respecting it, I'll probably use that as my stop.
We're looking at the 850 puts on SMCI, not the 880s. But you gotta size carefully on this. Go half size of what you normally go with.
I don't know if it's just me, but I swear the puts are always cheaper on SMCI than the calls are.
AMD broke 185. Whoever caught that, nice scout.
Oh, there we go.
Pañol Christian. Yeah, I've been not been able to get on lately. I'll start that back up tomorrow.
So we see that the market's making highs right now. SMCI is still falling a little bit short. Of course, that can change at any given time, but so far this looks good for us because SMCI isn't making any drastic moves to the upside. So
Nvidia, we got a little bit of time on that on Nvidia.
All right. All right. I'm ready.
someone said Meta. Oh, where's that at? I completely forgot about that. Oh, it came back up. Wow.
Yeah, recovered.
Or would you look to switch on? That's cause behind, bro. Never mind.
What, Nvidia?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm just gonna stay on SMCI if I'm being honest.
A couple people were asking, and I look, and then decided not to finish the sentence.
230% Eamon? Okay.
It is starting to pump now while the market was having a small drop there. You seeing Nvidia here, Nor?
Yeah, I'm switching over. I'm looking at the 135 calls. Yeah. Market's rallying too, though.
186 on the AMD. It's crazy.
Yo, it's still going.
Yeah,
Wow.
good. All right, this new high here. Let's see what it does. What this ES does here. Per the Nvidia.
The 140s are way too far off for Nvidia. For whoever I saw it, but
Yeah, I'm doing 135s.
What is y'all's entry?
134.20 for me. I'm looking at.
Just set my alert there as well. Jeez.
Let's see what happens when the market dips. It all depends on the overall market. AMD's at 187.
All-time high break there on ES. It can't really hold. Trying to go for it again. SMCI. Yeah.
we thought 182 was a good sell. Yeah. Thing kept going.
Only want to look to see where the contracts are.
I mean, I could tell you.
Go ahead, bro.
uh,
Then Q with a new high, but kind of weak.
Patience,
ES too.
patience.
Yeah.
tranquilo, tranquilo.
Tranquilo, papi, tranquilo. Maki. You in here? Yeah, Kevin, it does, huh?
Wait,
That's
let me
funny.
see.
That's funny.
Yo, it does.
It's like a long day, but to be honest, this is his normal days. We just been on a crazy streak, bro, that we feel like we should be done by 10 minutes, but this is normal. This is actually what, alright, who's gonna make it out? Alright, who's gonna keep doing this long term? Can you stay alive during these times when it's a little slow off the beginning? Just gotta be patient, wait for your alert. Like for example, in SMCI, we never hopped in. We saw it drop pretty quick there ahead of the market. We waited for our alert at 874. Like Frankie said, took Tesla and AMD, managed to be almost break even. I am a little bit red, but not much compared to my days that I've been having. Only down 170 bucks. You know, 170 after freaking 4-figure days non-stop almost. I'll take it. Just about patience.
You guys gotta remember, the best part about this career is that like you choose like your own hours and you choose your own setups, like trades, where you want to make your money. So it's like if like there's nothing on the day, it's cool to be cash. Nothing wrong.
And what I like about this Nvidia anyways, the longer we wait, the lower that trend becomes. So if you look at the positive side, you know, that's a positive side right there. It'll look just that much better once we actually break that.
Not trading is still trading, yes sir.
Yep.
Amen to that. Like all the screen time goes a long way. I'll be quiet.
It's getting close, or it's trying to.
And try it right there, yeah. But yeah, no, screen time goes a long way, guys. So when I had a small account, I could only take one trade, and I was either red or green. I would still stay around until Nor got done, whether it be like an hour, 2 hours. Sometimes back then it'd be 3 hours. Sometimes like 12.
Where's
So
my alert on Nvidia? 130, 415, but really should be like 130, 418. I'm trying to enter at 130, 420. I just don't want to miss it if it's a quick pop.
That's good, rude boy.
Honestly, not really. There's room.
I'm gonna have a 10% stop loss. I don't know about you guys. So
Yeah, I am too.
I don't think it's the kind of day where I can let this trade go past that.
I'm in.
Slightly ahead here.
Mm-hmm. Volume's kicking up crazy right here too. We only have 20 seconds left on this candle.
As long as we close above 134.15, should be good.
So yeah, for me personally, I got filled at 180. I'm not sure about you guys, but my
Same.
stop loss would be roughly around 160. So within that
Oh,
range.
we ain't not stopping now, bro. What the
Oh,
hell?
what the heck?
Here we go. Just be
He needs to
careful
hold up against the
here.
market here.
Yeah, the market is pulling back.
Market pulling back. It's important to see what Nvidia does here. Will it bounce? Will it be doing its own thing? That's what we'll see here.
I'm gonna use like 133.80 as my stop, Frankie.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick with my stop. I like how the contracts are holding up. I like the way Nvidia is moving right now.
I just, yeah, I was about to say the same thing, Frankie. I think, damn, that didn't really take a hit.
But I will stop here shortly though. If this hits, like, it's a strict stop for me. So yeah, these contracts are moving just fine. So
Almost break even there.
mm-hmm.
Would love for this to close above 134 here, though. Really 134.10.
Right here is we can kind of get an idea of how Nvidia is moving. So we see NQ still continuing to be red, and Nvidia had a green candle that actually got bought up there. So it'd be really nice to see what this is where we can really tell if Nvidia is going with the market or if it's doing its own thing. So
Yeah, it's too hard of a pull there on ES.
Market's pulling back super hard.
mm-hmm.
Contracts are pretty much the same. Like nothing has really changed.
Yeah, sold right there myself.
God. Oh, you still in with me, Nor?
Yeah.
All right.
My stop is going to be below that wick, which is 60 cents. I'm okay with walking away for the day.
Same. Justin, I want to see 134.40 hold. Once I see that, definitely gonna be looking to see 50 cents up. Final target will be 135, but it all depends how it moves. These contracts are holding up nice, bro.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Still trying to fight that trend there. 134.20 is definitely the level to watch and hold.
It's struggling with the trend line on the 1 minute. So yeah, if you get it close above that, or even a 134.20, like that 15-cent area where you said this looks good.
Mm-hmm. Here we go. Come back quicker than the market too. I'm break even here, guys. Yeah, still struggling with that trend.
And look at the market though. Like if anything, this is showing us green flags here. It's just how long can this hold up for, you know?
Yeah, I'm still in this with you.
You still in?
We don't have no news, nothing coming out, huh, Frank?
Let me double check real quick. Let me look at the calendar on my phone.
Alright.
No. Only thing I see is petroleum report at 10:30. But I'm not sure how much that would affect you.
Good.
My stop is pretty tight, like really tight, because I don't have any cushion for the day. But yeah, it's 133.60, like I said, the bottom of that wick. So before that breaks, I'm gonna be out.
Hopefully we get a bounce here at 56.40 on ES, enough for Nvidia to do its move.
56.40.
Yeah, I want to see a hold there. I don't want this to break below that.
Yeah, 56.40 is far though.
5 points, 4 points.
That's a lot. If Nvidia can hold above 134, then that'll be fine. But right now, that's a lot. That'll bring Nvidia down pretty quickly. Let's see what happens if we get a green candle in the market. We haven't gotten one green candle since we got into this trade. It's all red candles in the market, and Nvidia's holding up. That's a good sign, but how long can this hold up for? Let's see.
The only thing I want to mention that the contracts do lose more value on the downside, so just be aware of that.
Ooh, it just ate up that. Some sellers there at 77 cents.
As at the same time, I'm looking at Nvidia. Sorry, buy puts at 557.10.
You're looking at SPY puts at 557.10.
Yeah,
What contracts? So they know.
they're gonna be the 556 puts.
Yeah.
Moving pretty close to an ES here.
Another wool in 134 on Nvidia.
Time. In the trend there.
If this starts pushing without the market, I'll take a look. I'll take a look to add at 134.50.
Ooh, I was thinking about adding 2.
Yeah, but it has to show me some serious signs.
The trend here.
Another wall right. Well, another seller wall right there. 134.10.
But I like how close enough it is where the momentum could shift right past all that.
Yeah.
You got red candles here on the market. See if this holds up. They did lose a little bit of value, but not crazy.
Yeah.
SPY is close to entry. It's like 20 cents away here. $557.10 is the low I'm looking at.
A bank, but it's right at the trend and things could easily shut up.
Do we hit our stop today on the video or what? Let's see.
Yeah, we just gotta wait and see here.
So what I did, guys, is I set my alert at 133.62 for my stop. It's super tight, but I have no cushion, so I'm going to keep it that way. So if I hear 133.62 on the ask alert go off, then that's my stop. But if we start rallying here without the market, I will look to add before 134.50. So we'll see which one comes first. Maki's looking at puts at 557.10, I believe, on SPY.
Yep.
Love to see this candle close here above 134. Be the first 5-minute candle to close above.
There we go. It's a nice start right here. You're green, right, George?
I'm down 2% here.
I just turned break even.
Like where that bounced from.
Getting ready to add my fingers on the buy button. I'll let you guys know when I do.
Lightly ahead here now.
Yeah, now I need the volume and momentum to show me that this is a bull market. And then I'll tighten up my stop to 133.80. If I add, my stop will be 133.80. And then as we continue to move higher, my trailing stop will move higher.
Here we go.
Bid's holding all right. That's a good sign.
Yeah.
It's not flinching there at 134 yet. We'll see in a second. Market's starting to drop a little bit too. QQQ.
The ass stayed above 134 there. Tried to.
Everybody knows my stop, right?
Now that I don't like happening now.
I'm still a fan of that candle.
Yeah.
No red flags yet for me. There's a trend and it's trying to fight that trend. So that's what I expect. Sellers trying to put some blocks here at 134.
SPY is like 15 cents away. My entry is going to be at 557, below 57.10. Stop is going to be if it shows any signs of bounce, and the target is low day. Got my finger on the trigger. I need that 10 cent to break first before I consider getting in.
Market just dumped.
Close. 2 cents away. Bounced right at 10 cents. I need the break of 10 cents before I get in. Watching if this can go green to red. Into 10.
Yeah, Maki's looking at SPY. I'm still in Nvidia. Hasn't hit my stop yet.
But it's just stuck here.
My stop on Nvidia is 133.62 on the ask, not just the mark, the ask.
SPY is almost there. It's 1 cent away. I'm in, guys. SPY puts. Target slow day. And if it shows signs of bouncing, and that's the stop loss. So I'm expecting this to play out fairly quickly. Let's see. We're bouncing, but it's not really aggressive. Pay attention to momentum here.